Hi and welcome to the Malat Cookery channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the perfect alternative to MSG. Okay, so just for the record, I don't have an issue at all with MSG. In fact, I use it not a lot, but I do use it in certain dishes. But I do get that some people may have issues with it. What I'm going to show you now is a perfect alternative to MSG, and I'll show you how to make it in such a way that it's very convenient and it's readily available all of the time. There isn't going to be an ingredients list at the end because there's basically only 2 ingredients in this, but let's have a look at those ingredients now and any equipment we're going to need for today. Right, so for this recipe all we need is some celery and some salt. Now, to extract the juice from the celery, I'm using one of these mini choppers just to speed the process up. But even if you haven't got something like that, you can do it with a garlic press. It just means that you've got to cut the celery sticks into small pieces and then just press them out. And so we're using a small jug and also an ice cube tray. You also need a muslin cloth as well. Right, so let me just show you this process. The camera wasn't recording sound before, so luckily I've caught it in time. So I've chopped up some celery into small pieces, placed them into this mini chopper. All I'm going to do now is just pulse it to almost like a rough pulp. Only takes a few seconds. Next thing to do is we take our cloth and I'll put that over the jug that we have. This makes it easier. And then carefully put the chopped celery into the cloth itself. Like that. Gather up the corners and then squeeze this out into the bowl. And just carry on until you've done all the celery. Right, the next thing to do is to pour our extracted celery juice into the jug and then just have a look how much we have. So we have about 150 millilitres. For every 100 millilitres we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of salt. So to this we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Right, so in goes the salt. Make sure these are level teaspoons as well. And just mix that in until all of the salt is dissolved into the liquid. Okay, so once that salt is dissolved, fill the ice cube tray. This goes into the freezer for 24 hours. When the ice cubes are frozen, I'll take them out of there, put them into a sandwich bag, MSG alternative or whatever you want to write on there, and obviously the date that these were made. And then when we're having stews or Chinese cooking where we're cooking for people who don't want any MSG, just take one of the ice cubes, drop that into the meal, and you get that instant umami flavour, which is obviously what MSG is known for. A perfect alternative to MSG, and as I said at the start of the video, made in a way that it's really convenient. You can have a stack of this in the freezer, take a cube out, just pop it into whatever dish you are making. Please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.